Hello children, let's understand this very interesting law. We have already done the law of conservation of mass. Now let's discuss the law of constant proportion. Children, law of constant proportion is also known as law of definite proportion. What is the meaning of definite? Fixed proportion. So the law is very interesting and very much applicable to daily life. So this law was given by Joseph L. Proust. He proposed that in a chemical substance, means whenever we make a chemical compound, the elements are always present in a definite or fixed proportion by mass. This law is very, very important. What did it say? That whenever a compound is formed, the elements will combine in a fixed ratio by mass. What does that mean? Suppose you want to make water. What is water? H2O. To make water, you need two atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen will combine to form water only when they are in a fixed proportion by mass. And what should be that fixed proportion? Let's calculate. So we know that hydrogen has mass 1 and oxygen has mass 16. It is 1 atom mass. So hydrogen, there are 2 atoms, so the mass is 2. And oxygen mass is 16. So what is the ratio we have got? 1:8. So when hydrogen and oxygen, they exist as 1:8 ratio. When they combine in 1:8 ratio, then only they will make water. Otherwise, they will not make water. Similarly, when we talk about carbon and oxygen, which two compounds carbon and oxygen form? So it can form carbon monoxide. They can also form carbon dioxide. Yes. So in which proportion should they exist? So we know that carbon has mass 12 and oxygen has mass 16. So in order to make carbon monoxide, the ratio should be 3:4 by mass. But to make carbon dioxide, there must be a different ratio because now the oxygen atoms are twice. So I am multiplying 2 in 16. So it is 12:32, which is 3:8. So the point here to be noted that if you change the ratio by mass, it will change the formula of the compound. In order to make the same compound, you have to put the atoms in a fixed ratio by mass. So let's read the definition again. In a chemical substance, the elements are always present in definite proportion by mass. Who gave this law? Joseph Proust. I hope you have understood. Thank you.